What's happening, sports fans? Welcome back to another episode of Mama Papa Joe, continuing with episode 4 of our Summer of Grilled Chicken. This suggestion came from one of our loyal fans, Dino Dinosaur, or is it Dino? D-I-N-O. We appreciate your suggestion and we're going to make it happen. There's a hat with your name on it as soon as we get your address. Ladies and gentlemen, on the menu today, Peruvian grilled chicken. Let's check this out. To get started on this Peruvian chicken, we're going to do two things. We're going to make a marinade, then we're going to make that awesome green sauce. All of the ingredients and amounts will be in the description. Soy sauce, fresh lime juice, lots of garlic, oregano, black pepper, cumin, paprika, olive oil. We want to puree this big time. Just a little taste. Oh, folks, I think we've got another winner on our hands. That's delicious. We're going to immediately go into marinating our chicken. We're going to be feeding some neighbors today. So we've got a couple of leg quarters and 2 whole small chickens. These we're going to put on the rotisserie, and these we're going to direct grill. This chicken has been brined overnight, a dry brine. I didn't feel like wasting your time showing you that, so we did not. So we're just going to come right over it and make sure that everybody is nicely covered. When you're satisfied that everybody's covered, into a bag. And we're going to come back with our whole birds. These are the small birds from my Mexican meat market, man, that I prefer. They're right around 3 pounds each. We're going to do a little cleanup, and we're going to make this green sauce. Mayonnaise of your choice. Cilantro. If you prefer parsley, I know a lot of folks have a problem with cilantro, use parsley. Plain Greek yogurt. Green onions, just the tops, the green part. Garlic, black pepper, lime juice, salt. I've got 4 jalapeños that I've de-seeded and 1 Serrano with the seeds. Gonna try to just get these a little smaller. My blender is gonna be chock packed. And I'm gonna do some blending, and then I'm gonna add some olive oil. All right, I think we're ready for the olive oil. Gonna do it slowly. It's a taste. It's got nice heat, nice and creamy. I think it's going to complement that chicken very well. All right, so we're going to put this in a bowl, back in the fridge until it's time to cook. Our chicken has been out the fridge for about an hour. This bag is going to go straight to the grill, so no work needed here. Folks, we're not going to add any additional salt. There was salt in the dry brine, and that soy sauce in this marinade brings some additional salt. So all we have to do is just get these 2 birds on our rotisserie. I think it's going to work better if maybe I trust them before putting them on our spit. How about we just do something simple like this. Just to stop them from flopping around. Here's my halfway mark on my spit. Just gonna have them reversed. Try to even out the weight. Give them a little room in between for some even cooking. All right, for right now, that looks good. All right, folks, we are good to go. Fire's ready to roll. Let's see if we can't get this set up nice and balanced. That piece of foil, as usual, is just there to help me with cleanup. Let's see how we spin. All right, folks, I don't have a problem with that. Gonna drop just a little piece of cherry for a little smoke and some color. Ready to roll here. We're gonna go skin side up first because this fire is nice and hot. And we'll be back out here in about 15 or so minutes. All right, first 20 minutes, folks. We're pushing about 325. Not a whole lot of sugar in this rub, so I wasn't very concerned. And man, that's a beautiful color right there. Give that another 10, 15 minutes or so before we come back out here on the skin side. Let's see what's happening on the rotisserie. Oh, we're moving along nicely. Oh yeah, let's keep rocking. It's been another 20 minutes, folks. Was out here about 10 minutes ago and everything was looking good. Not trying to waste your time. Oh, that is beautiful. Next time I come back out here, we'll be looking to get in the temp. Let's check our rotisserie. Wow, they are looking great as well. All right, folks, it's been another 10 minutes. So we're looking at 50 minutes. I think we're going to be very close. I'm looking for 175 to 180, and all of them are right there. We're getting them off. I would think that rotisserie birds is going to have a little bit more time, but let's take a look at them. I'm going to stop and get a temp. 64. All right, we're not far off from these birds. Let's give them another 10 minutes and they're going to be ready to come off. All right, folks, we're about an hour and 10 minutes. Oh, man, I don't even need to check these, to be honest. Let me stop this. Oh, yeah. They're coming off of here, folks. Oh, those are beautiful birds. All right, let's get them inside and a 10-minute rest, 15-minute rest. All right, here we are, sports fans. Oh, the house smells amazing. Pretty chicken, man. And normally, rotisserie birds can come out pretty ugly. Aside from this little splittage right there. Beautiful birds, wow. I'm gonna jump right, oh yeah. Oh yeah. Gonna jump right in here, man. And just get a taste. Oh. Wow. Folks, it complements this chicken so well. It's another one of those can't miss recipes, folks. Dino, thank you so much, man. We absolutely appreciate it. This is a winner. I'm surprised I've got that much sauce left. Mama's been eating it with chips. So that green sauce is absolutely delicious. I can feel that pepper on the backside, but man, again, it's not so overwhelming. It's not gonna burn your butt. It's gonna complement this chicken very well. Very short cook. The quarters took about 50 minutes and the whole bird's about an hour and 10 minutes. Want to thank you guys and gals as usual for hanging out with Mama and Papa Joe. We really appreciate it. Be on the lookout for another video coming very soon. And as always, Mom and I want you guys to take care of yourselves, love each other, and we'll see you when we see you. Holla.